In the Connect 4 project that we built in the class, the computer basically picks up a column at random, which means that, it just kind of goes all over the place. Of course, this can be improved, and we are going to see how we can make the computer smart. We are enhancing the Connect 4 project from the YByte Python curriculum available at www.ybyte.in. But before we jump into any coding, let's take a moment to understand what's going on and see how there are, in fact, several degrees of smartness that we can explore. At the very least, our computer can stop playing randomly. In fact, it can try to play more in the center columns, which means that try to occupy the center of the board, because when you play in the center, the chances of you winning actually increase because there are many ways to win. So that's like step number one. Going further, the computer can ask a question that, look, before I make a move, is there a column on which I can win right now? Now, this is what we call a winning move. Obviously, this is a very desirable situation because if we win there, the game gets over right there with the computer winning. Going further, if let's say there is no winning move, the next thing I can do is that I can at least prevent the player from winning if the player will win, let's say on a certain column. So, if there's a column on which player plays and wins in the next chance, I can prevent that from happening. We call this a blocking move. Now, this is also good because this, like I said, prevents the player from winning immediately. The game goes on and then potentially in future. So clearly there are several degrees of smartness. We are going to see this in the next few videos, starting from this one, where we'll see how we can make the computer play more in the center columns. In fact, this is quite straightforward. Basically, I get back to my code. The first thing that I do is to set pop out to false, because this smartness, we want to get back to the regular rules. Notice that all the smartness for the computer has to come from this function play C, because this is a function through which the player is playing the code. Now what I've done here is to define a list called center calls. You notice these are the central columns of the grid. So, in the beginning, this column 3, then column 2, then 1 and 4. So it could be 1, 4 or 4, 1. 5 0 and then let's say 6. So basically 0 and 6 are the extreme columns. You can see that first we can get the computer to play in the center and so on. Now remember, I have turned off pop out, which means that this piece of the code will never happen. On this note, I realized that in the video on the pop out I had missed this if condition that was causing some confusion later on. So I realized that I'm setting if pop out, then it's the only way I can get the action to pop. Since pop out is set to false now, in fact, this will never happen, which means we'll always be in the regular mode. We'll always come here. Now, this is where we need to enhance. Notice right now we are picking up the column randomly. Instead, what I'll do is that I'll try to pick up a column from the center calls, and I will try to find out if that column is available. So you see there's a difference, right? Previously, we're looking at the available columns, picking up from there randomly. Now I'm saying I'll pick up from the center calls and see if that is available. In fact, that's not hard at all. So, assuming there's a column available, I just go and say, well, for C in, say, center calls, uh, if C in calls, calls available. So if C is an available column, well, let me just play that column. So call is C, and having found that column, I can basically break out. So, the other thing we could have done is to keep track of whether the column is over, and I could have adjusted this, let's say center calls, could keep deleting columns that have been, played, but this is fine too, right? So I'll just run a for loop. Wherever I find the first column where it is available, I can play there. Now, clearly, so I need to, of course, comment out this portion. So let's just say I put the comment here, say playing in center columns. So now this is kind of like the lowest level of some degree of smartness in this, but pretty much simple, because the computer is still not looking at your move, still not looking for a winning move and so on. It's just playing more in the center, but this also makes some difference. We can see this in action now. So notice first thing that P or A both markings are taken out because we are playing the regular rules now. Computer has played right in the center because this maximizes the chances, right? So let's say I try to play here. Again, computer plays here. I will play here, but obviously now I must block the computer. I do that, let's say I play here. Notice computer went to this column. So now if I were to go and play here, clearly it's not being very smart, it's just trying to sort of go in the columns, but look, there's something forming up here, right? So I'll try to block this as well. In fact, this is a reasonably good situation because computer, this column is where computer could really win if I were to play here. But let's say I'll try to win this. Okay, so clearly this has become a little bit harder to win, as you can notice. I wouldn't want to play here because that gives computer a very good chance. I would in fact play here. All right, so this is now tricky, so I should indeed block this. Oh, okay, but that was my mistake. In fact, computer one. So you see, playing in the center did make a difference. It's kind of better chance for the computer to win. So there is a degree of smartness in this, even though quite simplistic. I hope you found this interesting. Building activities, thinking through how to enhance them, implementing those enhancements in code is always a very, very good way to learn programming. And that's exactly what we do at YByte. Look at our website, www.ybyte.in, because we learn Python programming through such fun activities. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.